Hi guys, this is Mr. Wineowine and today I am going to show you how to make this gorgeous Porto fleet.
This is what you'll need. Chill the martini glass. Add half an ounce of simple syrup. 1 ounce of your favorite brandy, it could be a cognac for example. 1.5 ounce of port wine, use a vintage one for more flavor. Add the egg yolk and dry shake to create a smooth and velvety texture before adding the ice and shaking again. Pour the cocktail in your chilled glass. Add a pinch of nutmeg, et voila! Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumb up if you liked the video. Thank you very much for watching and santé!